How to fix error 0x80D03805 when updating Windows 10 or downloading app from Microsoft Store. Here are some tips that may help you fix error 0x80D03805 when updating Windows 10 or downloading app from Microsoft Store. 1. Try signing out of Microsoft Store. Restart your PC, and sign back into Microsoft Store. 2. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 3. Clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R. Type, ozreset.exe. Hit enter. 4. Try to reinstall the store, press Windows key and X. Click Windows PowerShell, Admin. At the command prompt, type this following and afterwards, hit enter and restart your PC. Get apps package Windows Store alerts for each add apps package disable development mode register $_install location, \appxmanifest.xml. 5. Run the following commands as administrator, netstop bits netstop wowserve netstop apids netstop cryptsvc ren% system root% software distribution .boc ren% system root% system 32 /catro2 netstart bits netstart wowserve netstart apids netstart cryptsvc6. Run the following commands as administrator, task kill /f/fi services eq wowserve, do this multiple times, netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop missa server ren c:\/ windows /soft twa redistribution software distribution.old reamder c /soft twa redistribution /data store reamder c:\/ windows /soft twa redistribution /download 7. Reset Microsoft Store. 8. Restart the Windows Update Service. 9. Run DISM tool and perform system file checker as admin, dism.exe/online/cleanup image/restore health and sfc/scano. 10. Log into a different Microsoft account in Microsoft Store. 11. Run the following command as administrator, netstop wowserve. Open File Explorer, on the View ribbon, temporarily turn on hidden items. Navigate to c:\windows /soft twa redistribution /download. Delete the entire contents of the download folder. Run the following commands as administrator, netstart wowserve scconfig wowserve start equals auto scconfig bit start equals auto scconfig cryptsvc start equals auto scconfig trusted installer start equals auto. When the command's completed, close command prompt and restart your PC. 12. Check if you had update KB449364 installed. If so, remove that update. 13. Perform a repair upgrade, http://bit.ly/2any9wm. How to perform a repair upgrade using the Windows 10 ISO file, Microsoft Community. 14. Do a clean install of Windows 10, http://bit.ly/2x80uk. Clean install Windows 10, Microsoft Community. 15. Manually start the following computer services: Microsoft Store Install Service, Windows Installer, Windows Update Medic Service, set M to manually start, and restart Windows Update. 16. Perform a clean boot in Windows. Note, if the issue not occur in a clean boot environment, you can determine which startup application or service is causing the problem by systemically turning them on or off and restarting the computer. While turning on a single service or startup item and rebooting each time will eventually find the problematic service or application, the most efficient way to do this is to test half of them at a time, thus eliminating half of the items as the potential cause with each reboot of the computer. You can then repeat this process until you've isolated the problem. Run the SFC scan utility tool. 17. Run Windows Store Apps and Windows Update Troubleshooter. 18. Run the following commands as administrator: netstop wowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop misiserver ren /windows /soft twa redistribution software distribution.old ren /windows system 32 /catro2 netstart wowserv netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart misiserver 19. Run the following command as administrator: net user administrator /active yes. Close command prompt, restart, then try signing into the administrator account. Try checking for Windows updates again. 20. Try to install updates in Windows Safe Mode w/networking, http://bit.ly/2ezqqg3. 21. Run a malware scan with the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.